Today I'm fixing this pump. What's happening is that the switch ain't working, but the pump is working. Now this is plugged to the car, and I'm gonna short those two just to confirm that this is working.
So two switches.
We know it works, we know that the switch is not happy, so let's see what we can do to fix it. Now this is just the same as a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so there's supposed to be a ball in there, and there's supposed to be something in there. So what is that? Is that loose? That's loose. Okay, so that's the switch. The switch is not in line with the... I think that's all I need to do to fix it. Well, this will be a very short video. Now, would that be... I think that's the order, so... Push this down. Push this down and that. Very odd. It looks like... Well, we'll try one way and then try the other way. Okay, do I have a clicky filling? No. Don't have a clicky filling. So maybe trying the other way around. See if I've got a clicky filling to it. Nope, no clicky filling either. So it's possible that I have that the opposite way around to what it needs to be. That in such a way that nope, there's no springy filling here either. Now that feels like it should be the spring. And it's not springy. So let's just try to solve the problem differently.
So at this point I just decided to replace the switch with a new switch. I had a smaller circular switch lying around, so I decided just to test if it would potentially fit and if it could work. So the first thing I did is just cut down the wires from the old switch to get rid of the switch, then strip them out so that I could get some access to the connection. So remove the insulation, and now you can see that I'm just putting a few spade connectors into the new switch, just confirming that they will fit, then crimping the spade connectors to the wires of the air compressor, and after they're crimped, I've used a bit of electrical tape just to make sure that they would be insulated and they wouldn't short by themselves with a few bangs or anything like that, as you can see here in the video. And then I just connected them both to the switch, tested the switch, and you could see from the screen that the pump was shaking. And then I just had to modify the case slightly so that the switch would fit in place. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.